Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you to one of the most unique and colorful places, in Qatar, the famous bird market. As soon as you enter this market, you're surrounded by the sounds of chirping birds and bright, beautiful colors everywhere from parrots to lovebirds, finches, and so many exotic species. It's a paradise for bird lovers. The vibe here is amazing. The market has a traditional Arabic feel, almost like stepping back in time. The narrow lanes, the small shops, the cages filled with birds, it all makes the experience very special. People here are super friendly and happy to share stories or give information about the birds. It's not just a market, it feels like a cultural spot, full of life and energy. We also grabbed some street snacks and cutting chai, which made the whole visit even more fun and relaxing. If you're ever in Qatar or planning to visit, don't miss this place, whether you're into birds or not. The atmosphere here is something you'll truly enjoy.
تنصم سني والليل منبوط سن المهني منبوط سن المهني شروخ والليل هيا شروخ والليل من شروخ والليل واللي ما يشعر